was a really good workout, y'all. Got here a little after 4 at 6 p.m. Got it in. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe the gym closes at 6. But good turnout. Literally got it in the last 2 hours of the gym being open. I'm very proud of us because after we got done leaving the Bangkok hospital from doing everything that we did, we were pooped. But guess what we did? We went to the gym.
Went to the gym.
Went to the motherfucker. Right. Did you go to the gym? I need y'all to get up off your ass and I need y'all to go to that gym. You sitting around the house all day. You ain't got nothing else to do. You off work. It's about to be the weekend. Why not go to the gym? Why not do something productive? Go to the motherfucking gym. Oh, I got the keys to the car. My bad. It's open. But yeah, back to what I was saying. I need y'all to get off in that gym. Because when you feel good, you look good. And when you look good, you feel good. And who wants to be a fat back piece of meat? Nobody.
And we live in a tropical city. I ain't got no clothes on half the time.
Right. So it's like, honestly, it kind of makes you want to. It kind of makes you want to work out because there's like so many things out here in Thailand that kind of just like pushes you towards that. Like, you know what? I think I need to get in the gym, but I know all y'all not in Thailand, so I'm here to tell y'all that you still need to get up and get in that gym. Like, I feel accomplished. Baby feels accomplished. You know what I'm saying? Like, we really got it in. My abs hurt so much. I haven't done an ab workout in so long. And for like maybe 2 or 3 days straight, I was doing sit-ups. And I tried to do some sit-ups the other day, and I felt like somebody was cutting my pelvic area open or something. Like, it just hurts bad. So I couldn't even really get into the abs today because I'm still, them muscles down there that I worked out is still ripped up and they need to recover. But I worked out on legs, goddamn arms, you know what I'm saying? Like, staying active. Highlander. Somebody car. Somebody my car.
Okay, Mercedes.
Somebody car. Kakun car. What else? What else have we learned?
Somebody my car.
Somebody my cha. Chan kun.
Fundi naka.
Fundi naka. Chan chu arai naka. Chan chu naima naka.
No, it's Kunchu arai naka.
Kunchu arai naka.
Chanchu.
Chanchu. Naimaka. That means my name is. And then I also ask you what your name is. Chanchu America Naka. Chanchu America Arai Naka.
Chanchu America. Your name is America?
No, I'm trying to say I'm from America. No, my jock.
Yeah.
That's what it is. That's another one. Pop. Hold up. I need to grab my book. Let me see. See, I be carrying my book with me. I feel good too. Oh my gosh.
Put on that seatbelt, ma'am.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Safety
It's
first.
getting live and all outside out here.
Yep, it's Friday night. Buddy, man, like it's outside. They outside. Everybody trying to get it in as much as possible.
It's about to come alive.
Right.
Now they backing up in the street.
It's crazy because the nightlife out here in Hoi Hin only stay live to about midnight, maybe even 1 o'clock. But after that, people was getting in their bed. Night scene don't stay open long out here. And honestly, the night scene is really not.
I would say about 1 a.m.
Yeah, like. And after that, that's it. There ain't no after spot. At least not that I know of yet. Not that I know.
Not riding with the doggy on the.
Let's see. Say some things real quick. Hold on. All right. Kun Majak Tinai. That means you come from where? And so the you would say Chan Majak America Naka. That means I'm from America. And then Kon Chu Arai. say Chon Tu Kung. Hold on. See, it's crazy because like with Thai language, you got to make sure you pronounce the word right, because if not, it can mean something else. So Tan Chu Naima Naka, that means my name is Naima. Okay, now if you are a guy, you would say Pum, so it'll be Chon Pum Nehemiah.
No, Chan is girl,
Naka.
so it would just be Pum Chu.
Chu
Pum Chu.
Pum Chu Nehemiah.
Nehemiah is crazy.
Nakra. If you're a guy, right? Nakra.
So, or they be saying cop too.
So like Sawadee Ka is like, since I'm a female, I'm a woman, I say Sawadee Ka. But if I was a guy, I would say Sawadee Ka, and that means hello. Sabadi my Ka is how are you doing? Since I'm a female, I'm gonna say Sabadi my Ka. But if I were a boy, I would say Sabadi my Ka. Just a little quick little 1 2 1 2, just a little show y'all what I've been learning in Thai school, because I am learning the Thai language. What you talking about?
Right.
But we had a pretty eventful day, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut this video down. You know what I'm saying? Cause we still got stuff to do, but it's a project me and wifey working on. But I ain't gonna tell y'all about that project till probably some months down. But gotta go.